Do you feel completely stuck while attempting to earn additional money? Perhaps you're asking yourself, should I start something online or get a job in the real world? In reality, which is superior? I present a fair comparison of online and offline side hustles in this video, devoid of any exaggerated claims or hype. But I'll assist you in selecting the ideal fit for your schedule, abilities, and way of life. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to address a common question today. Is an offline side business preferable to an online one? I'll go over the advantages and disadvantages of each, give you some straightforward examples, and provide you with specific questions to ask yourself. You'll know exactly which path is best for you by the time it's all over. Now let's begin. Online side hustles. First, let's examine side hustles that can be done online. You can perform these tasks from any location with just your phone or computer. The freedom to work from home and set your own hours is the best part. They're ideal if you enjoy being creative, are tech-savvy, or possess writing or design abilities. Digital art and online courses are examples of products that you can sell anywhere in the world. However, it's not always simple. You may encounter intense competition, and since you're working alone, you'll need to be extremely self-motivated. Freelancing, online tutoring, and launching a small YouTube channel are common safe options. Offline side hustles. Let's now discuss offline side hustles. These are jobs that you perform in person within your own town or neighborhood. The main benefit is that you can interact with people in person and frequently earn money right away. It's fantastic if you enjoy doing manual labor, lending a hand to others, or simply need a break from the screen. You could teach sports, walk dogs, assist with gardening, or sell your crafts at a neighborhood market. One thing to keep in mind is that these jobs are local, so your options will vary depending on where you live. You may occasionally have to travel or work outside. However, this might be the ideal fit for you if you like being active and interacting with your community. Which is better for you? In actuality, it depends on you. Neither is generally superior. Do I prefer to work on my computer in a quiet, flexible environment? Or do I prefer going out, interacting with people, and performing practical tasks? How much time do I have every week? What abilities do I already possess? Your responses will guide you in the correct path. Select the course that best suits your goals, your schedule, and your personality. Hybrid hustle idea. Fortunately, you don't always have to pick just one. You can combine the two. We refer to this as a hybrid side business. For instance, you could instruct students in music or yoga, both in person at a nearby studio and virtually via video calls. Alternatively, you could sell handmade candles at weekend markets and on your own website. You can make more money and have more freedom when you combine the two worlds. It's a fantastic way to take advantage of the best aspects of both offline and online work simultaneously. Final tips. Before we get you started, here are 3 quick tips to keep you safe and on your way quickly. So, first, go small to get the hang of what you want to do before launching headfirst. Second, be sure to respect the rules at the local level to make sure you don't need a permit or license to do what you want to do. Third, remember to focus on providing actual helpful service to people to create a successful side hustle. Good luck to you. Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you thinking about starting an online hustle, an offline hustle, or a mix of both? And if you've already tried one, share your story so we can all learn together. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.